So welcome back guys to once again another video. Today I'm gonna be breaking down this gold trade that I took today. Since the stock market was closed for the day because some kind of US president died. I don't know. His name is Jimmy Jones or something. I don't know. He died today and decided to close the stock market. I was like, man, what? Who is Jimmy Jones, bro? Like, who cares, bro? I just want to make my money. So yeah, that the market was closed. So I was like, man, can't freaking trade stocks, right? So eventually I hopped on gold. And I'm gonna tell you this was way outside my strategy because I trade fully New York open strategy. But since today stock market was closed, I had to trade gold a bit differently. So I'm gonna break it down, right? So on gold, started on the 4 hour, right? So what did I see? Let me delete this. All right, on the 4 hour we see that um we have all this sell side liquidity, right? So we can see price currently pushing to this current internal liquidity because it's actually in the perfect zone of this range to look for like big sells, right, to the downside, take out all this buy side, right? So I had my bias here, but for the day I was bearish, right? Because we had this imbalance right here, this 4 hour imbalance, which it tapped. Now we went to the 1 hour, as you can see here, and I saw this 1 hour imbalance. We find it right here. So find it to this 1 hour imbalance. We saw beautiful rejection. I saw this rejection. I'm like, okay. Into the 15-minute. First, I saw this. Saw all this liquidity right there, right? All this liquidity. Let me go to the 5-minute actually. What did I saw? Before price tapped into this 1 hour imbalance, so all this liquidity, all this compression liquidity, which you can see prices actually kind of coiling up, as you can see, which is kind of like a coiling motion. You can see, let's draw this range. This is an example. See this range, and you can see actually price kind of coiling up, right? See coiling, and then what do we see? We see the break, right? We see the break, came back, tap some kind of demand right here, came back to see more liquidity, and eventually came down, right? Came more down. So this is basically what the structure looked like today. So we had all this liquidity, this compression liquidity that we saw here, and so I was like, okay, price has to take out all the sell side liquidity, right? Since we also tap into the 1 hour imbalance. So saw this break on the 15-minute. Let's go to the 15-minute actually. So yeah, 1 hour imbalance tap, break. We had a shift actually. Let's call it a shift because you can see, oh shit, Price clearly shifted. If you look at the line chart, right? See? High, low, high, shift. So I'm like, okay, price is going bearish for the moment. We also had this 15-minute order block, which it tapped nicely. I went back to the 5-minute, right? So right here, 15-minute order block tap. Now this price action was very, very nasty on the 5 minutes, so I had to go to the 1 minute actually. So what did we see on the 1 minute? Price stop liquidity, stop this high, right? You can also see this 1 minute high right here in the 50-minute order block. We had a nice shift on the 1 minute. You can see this shift, right? Clear shift. Price came back, tapped some kind of order block here. 1 minute order block actually. And I was like, okay, I'm looking for more confirmation. So I saw this break with this huge it's not a huge imbalance, but saw this imbalance. Set my sell order here and stop loss above the highs right here. And oops, and targeting basically all this compression liquidity, right? As you can see, all this compression liquidity created. We had the shift, price tap into the 15-minute order block, as well as the high time frame 1 hour imbalance, right? So yeah, took this trade and targeted these lows, right? As we can see here, nice shift, targeting all the sell side, right? As you can see here. Let me move this real quick. Right, you can see here clearly. So took this trade, took out half positions at this halfway level, and I set my stop loss at B. Now price started pushing more, almost at TP, and I trailed my stops to 2670. Yeah, but as you can see, I got taken out. It's not, I don't know, it's okay. It's always another day to trade, so I actually took a re-entry right here, right? So I took this shift, saw this high, oh shit, saw this high, low, sweep, saw this high, price came back to sweep it one more time, and then I sold, right? Market created this structure, as you can see. Took out less liquidity, and yeah, price shifted, sold somewhere around here, and trade went pretty nasty, I would say. It was pretty late in the PM session. Not a lot of volume, a lot of consolidation, which is garbage. I like garbage. Pretty bad price action if you ask me. Look at this. Looks horrible, right? But at least I got this trade in. So yeah, that was it for the day, man. Stock market was closed. Jimmy Jones, man. Jimmy Jones closed the market, man. What's going on, man? It's not looking good, man. All right. So tomorrow's Friday. Let's see what happens tomorrow. Hopefully we can find opportunities as always. But yeah, this was a trade breakdown of gold. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next one.